Hi, this is Frank from waterdistillers.com. If you're looking for a reliable countertop water distiller for home use, I want to walk you through the Waterwise 3200 Classic Countertop CT Home Water Distiller bundle and show you how it works. This system is designed for people who want consistent, truly pure water every day without complicated installation or ineffective filter-only systems. The Waterwise 3200 uses a stainless steel boiling chamber, which is where real purity happens. Through vapor distillation, it removes contaminants that standard water filters simply can't touch. It's very simple to use. You fill the chamber with cold tap water, plug into a standard electrical outlet, press start, and the system runs automatically, shutting itself off when the cycle is complete. Each cycle produces 1 gallon of distilled water, making it ideal for drinking, cooking, coffee, and tea, baby formula, CPAP machines, and humidifiers. And with our exclusive home water distiller bundle, you can produce up to 4 gallons per day and utilize the 4 1-gallon storage bottles without feeling like your system is working too hard. We also include a complete maintenance kit with a descaler and extra post filters, so long-term upkeep stays simple and predictable. If you want an easy-to-use countertop water distiller that's backed by long-term parts availability and real expert support, the Waterwise 3200 Classic Countertop CT Home Water Distiller Bundle is a solid choice. You can learn more at waterdistillers.com, or if you'd like help deciding, give us a call at 612-701-7820. We're always happy to walk you through your options.